Hi, my name's Simon from Motodrome. Now today we're going to take a walk around and a drive of this rather lovely B registration, so either 1964 or 65 MGB Roadster, and it's an early pull handle model. Two videos, one walk around, one driving, plus a bit of starting and idling at the beginning of the driving video. Hope you like them. Okay, quick video of start up and idling on this MGB. Ignition light comes on. They don't have an oil pressure warning light on these. They have the gauge instead here, which as we start it, you'll see go up. That's a hot start. Settles down to a nice idle. Now we'll show you under the bonnet. Here we are under bonnet of this MGB. It's performing exactly the way that it should. Next up we have driving. Okay, here we are out in this B registration, so either 1964 or 65 MGB Roadster. Apologies, I have got the roof down. I thought it was too good an opportunity to miss, so it will be a bit noisy, but hopefully you can still hear me. And the sun is quite low as well in my face, but whatever. Drives really well, this one. Let's pop it into overdrive. Yes, this one's got overdrive on it, which works nicely. Just gets on with the job. Showing just under 10,000 miles. Now, I haven't looked at the history yet. Clearly that isn't going to be correct, but I don't know whether it's 110,000 or if it's 10,000 miles since it was restored. We'll have to look at the history before we know more about that, but it drives really well. Starts on the button, no signs of any misfiring, hesitancy or overheating. The temperature gauge is working, as is the oil pressure gauge. Both are showing good pressures and temperatures. Letting my foot sharply off the throttle, there's no backlash or anything, and the gearbox is really nice as well. Pop it back into overdrive quickly. I must admit, it's getting a bit chilly now. Out of overdrive again. See if we can turn the heat up a little bit. Actually, unusually, the heater controls on this one move quite readily. Better than most, certainly. This one's got the sports steering wheel on it. We have, however, got the original steering wheel for it. And it's totally rattle free. Down into third, down into second, brakes nicely. There we go. Makes that classic MGB sound. Indicators don't self-cancel, but that's probably because it's got the sports steering wheel on. Actually, say that on a bumpy road like this, I can hear a slight rattle from the passenger door, but that's about your lot. Just on a bumpy road. There we go again. Unusually on this one, the speedo isn't too flickery either. Rev counter's working. Go. Now we can get up a little bit more speed now. Say, gearbox is very nice on it. Fair to say that a good B is a joy to drive, and this is, in my opinion, a good B. Back into overdrive again. No funny bangs or clunks from suspension or anything. Just powers on nicely. Steering sharp on it. Flick it out of overdrive. About to go over a big bump. Brake heavily. It's really good. I can't really criticise it to drive it. Impressive. So apart from the indicators, don't self-cancel, but that's probably because of the smaller steering wheel. So I think there we have it really. I like it. Heater blower motor works. Yeah. My name's Simon. You can reach me in the office on 0118 907 1495. Or you can go to our website, which is www.moto-drome.com for any more information.